Hey guys, hope you're doing great today. I decided to go out and walk for a little while, and I was thinking that I needed to share with you the prints that we mentioned in the previous video, just so you see the quality of prints and the quality of the equipment. These images that you're going to be looking at right now, they were shot with my XC2 and my XPRO 2, and surprisingly most of them are, I guess all of them in this case, the ones that I'm going to show you, I used the 18 to 55mm lens from Fujinon, which is, as I mentioned before, my all-time favorite, and I'll show you why. There's a lot of reasons for that, for me to say that. Yeah, you gotta check that. I've been looking at a lot of videos from people talking about what is the perfect setup, what's the perfect camera for landscape photography. I've been a photographer for a long time, and I don't really think there's the best of whatever, because you can use whatever lens you have depending on what you're looking to get, depending on the quality of the lens you have, depending on whether you do it for yourself or for customers. And there's a lot of mumbling and rumbling about which format, what size of sensor should you be using for that. You're gonna be surprised, because the size of the sensor does matter at a certain point, but that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this video and share with you the large prints that I made for myself and customers, because at the end, I don't think most of you guys are not going to print larger than this. And I'm working with a 16 megapixel sensor on the XC2 or the 24 at the XPRO 2, and the results are just remarkable. Of course, I can get larger images with a full frame, and even larger with a medium format, but that's not like the most important thing. So I'm sure you're gonna be surprised after this images that I'm gonna share with you, but the main point for me to do so is so you feel confident with the quality of the Fujifilm system. And I'm so happy that I have switched to it for 10 years, around 10 years now. It allows me to travel light, to go to remote locations without worrying about carrying heavy lenses and heavy bodies, which is something I used to do about 30 years ago or so. And as you get older, of course, it does matter, because sometimes I get to travel for a whole week, and carrying a huge bag with big lenses and big bodies and everything large is not my thing anymore, and nor do I need it, as you're going to see in the video. So stick around and check on what I have to do and what I have to show you today, okay? I'll go back and share it with you.